Alright, so to add on to our routine maintenance of these machines, we're going to do a spark plug check, maybe even our spark plug change, depending on how it looks. So the spark plugs for these motors is a ZFR 5F7558. These are V-twin motors, so they have two spark plugs, 2 cylinders. And so your spark plugs are going to be right under the, oh man, I don't even know what it's called anymore, but spark plug's right there. You got your spark plug boot, and it's on both sides. Valve cover, that's it. This is your valve cover. Wow, that took a... So yeah, anyways, to take the boot off, you just gotta grip her by the base and pull her up. See how she looks on the outside? She looks like she's got a little mosquito buildup, but it's not terrible. And then you're gonna need, for the Hondas, you're gonna need 5/8 spark plug socket. And that should fit down there, and it actually, I'm right, it's got a little rubber boot in it, so it actually suction cups to the spark plug, and then it should just go right on. Now it's suggested to do a check every 200 hours and change them every 500 hours, and we are at 675, and I think I changed the spark plugs early in the season after about 100 hours, so we're at about that 500, 600 hour marker. So we're going to see how they look. This one doesn't look too bad, actually. I don't know if you can see that. It's really built up. It's really white. It means it's got a lot of heat. I don't know if that gap looks good, but the plug itself, the tip looks really good. It doesn't look like it's been gradient or nothing like that. So we're going to check the gap on it. And the gap that it needs to be set at, and find out where I wrote it. This would be 0.012 inches to 0.016 inches, or 0.3 millimeters to 0.4 millimeters. So we're probably going to do the millimeter way. So here's your feeler gauge. It's a little loose there. I don't like that. And you've got two sets of numbers. The top one is inches and the bottom is millimeters. Just be sure you're doing the right one, because you may just mess it up or get it backwards, and I've done that. So it says between 0.3 and 0.4, so we've got 0.33 and 0.36 and 0.38. So we're going to do the middle one. We're going to do the 0.36, give it that gap. So, and it's looking pretty good. I'm a little loose. That's better. So yeah, these are pretty. It's a little loose. It doesn't take much to bend them. Just a couple taps definitely get them to move. I want that a little tighter. I really want to change it or not. This motor's been running really well, so I don't know if I really need to change it, is really the question. Ooh, yeah. Okay, yeah, we're going to change them. It actually looks pretty warm. So, it's pretty much hard for me to show you this on the camera, but here, let me try it. It doesn't look bad, okay? It doesn't look terrible. But if you take the new one and you look at it, got that nice little V groove, nice clean. It's pretty deep. Yeah, so I'm just gonna base it off of that, because this old one, you can't, it's there, but it's pretty worn down. So we're gonna switch them over, go to the new one, give it a nice clean start, and probably going to do both of them then, just to make it even. Give them new spark plugs. It suggests a change, so we might as well just do it before we wreck anything. So let's just get it done and not have to worry about it. So, even though these come pre-gap, they say, still check it. Sometimes, see, like this is way too loose. It wiggles in there, and so this is too much of a gap. So we're gonna bring that down. Oh, now mosquitoes are out. A little hard on that. It was going hard on the wood and it didn't do anything, so I went to about same force on the metal. And it really cranked it down. There we go. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. It's a little tight, but that's okay. I mean, it can go down to 0.3, so it's probably right about there. So, I'm gonna put it back in. Oh boy. Okay. Do it this way. Well, nice and tight. When you put the boot back on, there'll be a little, kind of like a pop almost. So I'm just going to quickly take the other one off to show it to you. I'm not going to make you watch the whole process with gapping and all that. Just going to show you if it looks any different or whatnot. Just on the opposite side, below the valve cover, right where you put the oil in. Oh yeah, that one looks worn. I mean, it doesn't look terrible compared to the last one. It looks about the same, so that's good. That means they're both running both cylinders are running evenly. They're currently running hot, so that's good. So yeah, we're just gonna put this other one on, and that's gonna be good.